So I have over 200 smartphones, and a lot of them is oldie but goodies of their time. So I'm starting a new series that's called Oldie but Goodies and How Smartphones Have Aged Over Time. So let's have some fun. So in 2021, OnePlus released the OnePlus 9 Pro, a beautiful, fast device that almost checked all my boxes even in 2024. So let's go back down to memory lane and talk about the OnePlus 9 Pro, a beautiful device. Just such a gorgeous device. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So I'm a huge fan of OnePlus devices. I really like their older devices, such as the OnePlus 6T, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 9 Pro, one of my all-time favorites. But you know what? It feels so good to use the OnePlus 9 Pro for these oldie but goodie videos. But before I give you guys my thoughts about it, let's go ahead and remind everybody the specs of the OnePlus 9 Pro. So let's go. The OnePlus 9 Pro has a 6.7-inch 1440p 120Hz display. It has the Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, no SD card support. Now, as far as cameras, we got a quad camera setup here on the back, which consists of a 48 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor here on this device. And on the front, we have a 16 megapixel camera. Now, this device can shoot, as far as video, up to 8K 30 frames per second. Now, powering the OnePlus 9 Pro is a 4500 milliamp battery. Now, it's running Android 13 to boot with January 2024 security patches as of me recording this video. Now, as far as the price, as of me recording this video, you could buy this device as low as $284 on Amazon Renew. I will leave links down in the description below. So that is the specs of the OnePlus 9 Pro, baby. So I really do love the OnePlus 9 Pro. But you know what? In this video, I'm gonna talk about 4 standout features that I really love about this device. Let's talk about 4 features that I like. Let's go. First, let's talk about the performance. And that's number 1. As you know, OnePlus devices' key features is all about performance. For some strange reason, they optimize the OS to make them fly. The OnePlus 9 Pro is extremely fast, and yes, it has the 888 processor with 12 gigs of RAM, but boy, this phone is fast, even in 2024. Playing games and opening up apps is still top notch and can rival current devices in 2024 when it comes down to performance. Look, all I know is this. This device has been very fast and fluid for the past couple of years. And even when I'm reviewing this device now, it's still one of the best, period, when it comes down to performance. Look, it's no compromises here when it comes down to performance with this device. Now, it's running Oxygen OS 13.1, but you can customize the heck out of this device in every aspect. I mean, this OS can be customized. I really do like it. But when it comes down to the number 1 feature of the OnePlus 9 Pro is the performance. Now, coming in at number 2, the display. Oh my God, this display is so beautiful. Ooh, this is a great display. Look, the text pop off the screen. This display is great. Watching movies and watching videos, you get a very good experience. The colors, the deep blacks, the vivid colors. Listen, this is a true flagship when it comes down to the display here. It ain't no dull colors here on this device. Look, the OnePlus 9 Pro has vivid mode that works great. It has all kinds of aspects when it comes down to the display, but I do love this curved display. Look how curved that is right there. Just beautiful display on this device. I mean, look, man. Looking at this device is absolutely great.
Locking phases on target. They're locking phases. Ray shields.
Fire!
So coming in at number 3, build quality. Look, the OnePlus 9 Pro is a beautiful, well-balanced device with a slight curve here on the display. Looks absolutely stunning. It feels good in the hand. It looks good. I mean, this device is a classic. It's a jewelry. Look, I've been having this device since 2021 with no screen protectors on it. And I have no scratches, no cracks on this ultra premium device. It has stand the test of time. So when it comes down to the build quality, this device feels premium. It looks premium, and it is premium. Definitely, OnePlus did an outstanding job with this device. And lastly, coming in at number 4, we got to talk about these cameras. Look, when I first reviewed the OnePlus 9 Pro, I say that the cameras need work and some updates. Now, fast forward a couple of years and many updates and many enhancements, these cameras right here is top notch. But you know what? Let me show you some footage of these cameras in action and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out.
The Chosen.
So that's 4 things that I like about the OnePlus 9 Pro, but there's so much more. Let me give you a few honorable mentions, right? Because there's so many things that I like about this phone. Let's talk about some honorable mentions. First, the alert slider. This comes in clutch, man. I really do like the alert slider on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The next thing that I like is the charging modes that this device has. It has a bunch of battery features such as wide charging to slow down charging at night so the battery won't age as fast. And I haven't noticed a huge battery degradation after using this device for 3 years. So that is a good thing. Next, reverse wireless charging it comes in handy also if you need that feature. Look, this device has high performance mode, so you could get peak performance if you need it, which is really nice, right? So if you need performance, this device has peak performance mode. And lastly, stereo speakers. Look, if you want to get that full immersive sound, watching movies and videos, this device, sound really good. I can keep going on and on and on about all the features that I love about the OnePlus 9 Pro. But you know what? Everything is not sunshine and roses. There's some things that you need to know about this device if you're thinking about getting it. First, this device is running Android 13, which is probably the last update for this device. It's so good, but you need to know, if you want to live with Android 13, this is probably going to be the last one that you're going to get, but it's getting security patches. So you need to know that. Next, battery life. Look, battery life is okay, not the best. To get full peakness out of your battery, if you lower the resolution, lower to 60 Hertz, then maybe you could get a little more out of the 4500 milliamp battery here. Not too many cons, especially at the price point that you can buy this device right now, about $280. Not too many cons with the OnePlus 9 Pro. If you like to see more Oldie but Goodie videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.